Understand? These higher conclusions. Either you can logically think and come to that conclusion, or by the trust. I think if Swamiji says that's a truth, so I am deciding to come to the conclusion, and I know I will be convinced about it. If not, I will struggle with the doubt, but I am not going to deny his statement. That is oneness. I may doubt his conclusions, but I will not deny his conclusions. I may doubt his conclusions, but I will not deny his conclusions. How many of you are ready to come to that conclusion? That is enough. I can make my conclusions work for you. See, when it starts working, after that naturally it is going to become your conclusion. Only till it starts, that virtuous circle starts. Once you manifest power, you will believe this higher conclusion. Once you come to this more and more of higher conclusion, more powers, more higher conclusion. That is all. You will be naturally raised to Kailasa over. See, Kailasa is nothing but your existence on highest conclusions. You eat only highest conclusions. You don't eat shit. Very clear. Nothing wrong. Don't feel offended by that word. After all, you are doing every day. What is there? Nothing to be offended. No, it is straight. I don't eat. I eat higher conclusions as my life source. See, you can have a conclusion, my existence can move only maximum my own body, that also all the time not. You can live in that conclusion. You can live in that cognition. Who is going to suffer? Naturally, your ability to move goes on reducing. One day you stop moving, that's what is death. I tell you, you do not need to withdraw because it has not become immediately your realization. I'll give you experiential proofs to you as your own experience through power manifestation. That will start poking holes in your doubts. And your doubts will collapse. When your doubts collapses, this cognition becomes your cognition. And living with these higher conclusions, higher cognitions as the source of your life is what I call existence of Mahasadashiva. State of Mahasadashiva. See, you also exist, he also exists. He exists with a clarity, dynamic activity and static matter has no boundary. I am one with everything, so everything listens to me and my strategy. How you exist? All these three, nothing listens to me. Sometimes even I don't listen to me. So somehow things are moving, go. I think I almost read what is written inside. Let me repeat once more. For the people who are joining newly, means now only you would have woken up. It is like sometimes the end of the news they will say headlines again. If you have joined recently, you may be in the hall, but who knows when you switched off my channel. If you are tuning in just now, I am repeating for your understanding. Static matter, dynamic activity, strategic existence has no boundary. So if your strategic existence decides something, declares something, dynamic activity and static matter obeys literally, simply. Next statement. You do not need to spend your whole life logically to come to this conclusion. If you decide, Swamiji has come to that conclusion, he will teach me only right thing. Let me declare, this is my cognition, and that declaration is enough for me to help you to manifest the powers related to this truth. When you start manifesting powers, you naturally will understand it is not just Swamiji's conclusion, it is now your own conclusion. Till I sign the check and put the money in your account only, it is my money. Once I put it in your account, it is your money now. Same way, till it is my conclusion and not yours only, you need to depend on my cognition. Once you start manifesting powers and understanding, now it is your cognition. Now it is your conclusion. Now it is your way of existence. How many of you are understanding? That's all. This part of the Agama is called Sattva Tattva. Why I am telling you now? Two reasons. One, I should remember to give respect and reverence and all the credit to Mahadeva. Second, all of you need to know everything I am teaching you is from authentic Hindu scriptures. It is from Vedas and Agamas of Sanatana Hindu Dharma. It is from Hinduism. Once more I want to remind you, this knowledge source is from Sanatana Hindu Dharma. It is from Hinduism. That's the reason. Along with this truth, around 36 powers, various powers are associated. I have picked up just few. As I said, 21. For you to play with. Because these things immediately cognizable. Means immediately you will know whether it is working for you or not. Whether the initiation is manifesting in you or not. So that kind of few powers I have collected, which you are going to manifest now. Fundamentally, I am shifting the way you exist to a higher conclusions, experientially, step by step by step. How many of you are understanding this whole logic? Clear? Initially, I need to support you with my understanding and my cognition till you start picking up that cognition. That is what is like a father making the child walk. He doesn't allow the child's small tender legs to hold the whole weight of the body. He puts his hand and takes the whole weight. So the tender legs need to just try. Same way, your ability to manifest powers is like a tender legs. I'm not going to put your whole negativity weight on that. What will happen then? You will never try. That's the problem. So I'll hold. That holding and making you walk is what is initiation. That is what is called initiation. Once you walk, you know you can walk. Your legs believes it can walk. Initiation is done. You can live. Manifest it. That's all. When I am walking here, I am holding you to walk. Every power manifestation should be done with complete integrity, because only if you do it with integrity, your cognitive shift will happen. Don't try to see through the hole and tell no. You are not doing it for anybody else. You are doing it for you. It is a spiritual practice. The highest integrity need to be maintained, so you gain confidence. You gain the higher cognitions. You gain the higher existence. Understand? I'll give you just few minutes. Now whatever I spoke, you just type the gist for your sake, your notes' sake. Listen. Whatever now I spoke, for your sake you type it. Then I will give you the next small homework.